Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a nice song here from andygrammer. It's called Gray. So, will you still love me when I'm gray? That's what they ask about here in this song. And yeah, I hope you will stay with me as well here on Growing Guitar. And let's grow old together here. Anyway, let's go into this song. And we don't use any capo for this one. We just go with 5 different chords. That's what we need to handle. So let's start with the chords, and we're gonna start with E. Okay, so E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings. You don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have A next, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then the next chord will be the A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B, open E. So that's the only difference from the 2nd B to 1st B. That's the difference between A and A minor. So that's that, and the final chord will be the F sharp minor. Another bar chord still on the 2nd fret. This time you need to push down all strings there with your index finger, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Okay, so let's learn the strumming together. Grab the first chord, the E, and one string around will be down, down, clap, clap. Okay, so 2 downs first, then the clap, and then 1 down, and a clap. The first 2 downs I like to play on the bass strings, so. Okay, and then comes the clap, and then the final down I like to play down here on the high strings. And then the clap. So it counts up answering downs there. So the first are the bass, and then you answer with the top strings down here. So. Okay, so there you have it. Now into the verse. You're gonna play 1 string around of the following chords: E, then B minor, then A, and A minor. And that is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Now into the pre-chorus, you're gonna play 1 string around per chord still, and you're gonna play F sharp minor, A, and repeat that, F sharp minor, A. For that round, and it goes like this. Again, so F sharp and A. And that's the first pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, and from now on it's pretty much repetition. You're gonna play 2 rounds in the same way as you played the verse. So 1 string round per chord for E, B minor, A, and A minor. You play that for 2 rounds, and then you end with 1 down on E. Just 1 down and the pause. So once you play 2 full rounds, you start with E, B minor, A minor, and then do that again, E, B minor, A minor. And once you play that A minor, you go into E and play just 1 down plus a pause. Okay, that takes us into the 2nd round of this song, the 2nd verse. And it's, like I said, repetition. 2nd verse played the exact same way as the first one, and the same goes with the 2nd pre-chorus and even the 2nd chorus. After the 2nd chorus comes the post-chorus part. All right, so what you're going to do there is to continue with the same E, B minor, A, and A minor for another 2 rounds. And after that, you ended the post-chorus part, you're into the outro part. You're going to still continue with the same verse play for 2 rounds, and you play an extra down on the E after you finish these 2 rounds. And with that down on that E, you have andygrammer song called Grey. So a nice song, fits guitar extremely well, of course, since they just use guitar in that song. So give it a try, pretty easy chords as well. So I hope you can enjoy that. And if you liked this tutorial, then I would be very happy if you could subscribe to this channel. And if you have done that already, then like it and leave a comment on what you think about this specific tutorial. So till next time, guys, play tuned.